Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
1, 2, 3!
Welcome back to the channel. Today we got welcome back to the channel. Today we got
Alright, y'all boys, man, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV. This is one of the deepest lineups we done ever had, though. I ain't gonna count.
He just said he's beating me and I fucking walked you.
Nah, you're not beating him.
I'm not beating him?
Nah.
Are you serious? He said stop. Oh,
Randy just racing for fun.
Alright, bro, we
just bust his ass. Just bust his ass.
We got the sexiest of them all, the beautiful Blueberry. We got my boy Peas, the Clifford Mobile, you feel me? We got my boy TJ Stay 1K, red cammed SS. We got a supercharged SS, damn near a ZL1. We got a header dump scat pack, that motherfucker loud as hell. We got a little red C6, the Lightning McQueen Mobile, you feel me? We got a VQ, I think it's a G37, I'm not sure, G35. We got the Darkhorse that I need to get my get back on. If y'all don't know, this is the same car that was whooping me when I was in my scat. Yeah, he got my ass that time, I ain't gonna lie. And we got a black 5.0 right here too. And the same person that be talking shit is in that supercharged SS over there. I'm gonna get my get back, just watch. This shit ain't nothing. We finna walk this shit, bro, I promise y'all.
Eating this shit for breakfast, dog, or is you finna walk your ass, bro? What's going on?
Eating this shit for lunch, nigga. Finna see what we on, bruh.
Either way, you got it, you feel me? It's not the complete tune.
Why you smiling like that, nigga?
Because, bro, either way, if you beat me on the regular tune, well, when it's fully tuned, I got something for you.
I bet.
Sitting upstairs, bro.
We gon' see, bruh. You better pull that bitch downstairs, nigga.
I know we don't pull this everywhere. Hurry, got Paul just tryna step. And baby girl, yo, pussy wet here from the back, I'll pull you out. Forever screaming on renegade, if you my bro, forever spare. We be so hard, say anything, don't get no fuck, I just don't care. I'm eating food, I'm making this so goddamn good, had to grab a chair.
You know we gotta go track mode, traction off, you feel me? Doing too much talking, we just locking in. We finna slide to this beat real quick, then we getting our runs in. We ain't doing too much talking, boy. We just locked in. I need to get some gas before we line it up. I need a full tank, boy. I don't need nothing going wrong, boy. Oh, I forgot my gloves. I forgot my stolen gloves. I'm not locked in. I ain't gonna lie, we ain't had a lineup this deep in so long though. This was unexpected too, like we did not plan this. Don't you just love American V8s? It can't get no better. In the cat, what? My shit probably shooting flames in the back too. Y'all seen my last POV, y'all seen my car was shooting flames. Somehow, some way. They sliding? What the world? I see smoke. Now I didn't meet deep in hell, but niggas is sliding and all. New Christians like look clean, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what the hell some of these niggas on, I ain't gonna lie. Niggas out here looking weird. I forgot Don don't got a backup camera, bro. He's struggling. What is bro on? What is bro on? Like, what in the world?
I need to go. So, you and you?
Yeah, we getting our line in. Yeah, okay. And I gotta get the Darkhorse back.
Oh, he's the one that he dogged your shit?
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you ain't have to say it like that, dude. Nigga. Damn. Damn. Who dog is this? Nah, this cat clean. What the world? I can't wait to get a wrap. Gang, what is going on? I don't know. What is going on? Gang, what is going on? Time to leave the meet. About close as hell. I ain't been in this type of meet in a long time, bro, where it been this much going on. They just gonna have to respect the cat, bro. For real? Say on God.
He had his hands out, merch. I'm not. Nigga, I drove by nigga like these.
Yeah. Nigga, thank God I ain't go the same way he went.
Bro, my shit said U-turn too, but I'm like,
yeah,
yeah. Everybody going this way, bro.
Right, I just kept going.
Give me a couple months, watch how I do it. We love you, turn the headphones up a little bit.
I'm 2-0 with the police, bro. No tickets on my record, nigga.
They done free my boy Peas, man.
With no registration, nigga.
They done free my boy Peas.
Go turn the gang up. Give me a couple months.
Alright, quick little relook at the lineup real quick, you feel me? We had more people pull up. We got this Chevy SS. It's Cam. I don't know what else he got done. I can't tell if this, oh, this is Price car right here. SS, headers. I don't think it's tuned yet. We got TJ SS, of course. I showed that earlier. Supercharged SS. That's the first run I'm gonna get in. We got Ram Man Scat Pack. We got VQ. Here go the Darkhorse right here. That's the second run I'm gonna get in. We got another black 5.0 over there. Then we got my boy VQ Chris. Pull up dog. Then we got the Stolen Cat. Alright, finna get gas and then get these crazy little runs in real quick. I ain't gonna lie. I don't expect to lose not none race. I lose a single race, my alignment is messed up. That's why I lost.
No, because you fucking slow as shit, bro.
Come here, Chris.
Hey,
Let's talk. Let's talk.
Hey now.
I'm ready, boy. These some comp runs right here that we finna get in. You feel me?
Oh, she looking oh, behind you. Right now, shut your bitch ass other lane? I can call it.
He gonna be on the left. All right, well, you're not ready, can call it. It don't matter.
All right, bet.
I'm ready. Ah, shit. This ain't trying to make me do a 50, bro. It don't matter. I don't know who I'm running, but shit, come on.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I just beat the Darkhorse, bro. But I need Mike. I need Mike.
Nah, he bad. He want that smoke. He want that smoke.
I got 60 for real. 60? Yeah. Damn, that light bright as hell. 1, 2, 3. I see you, Nas. I see you.
That shit move!
Hey, count. Yeah, for Nas. 60. He good.
Ready? 1. Oh shit, is this Mike?
I think so. Yup.
Oh yeah. We want this. Right?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. That shit moving.
All right, come on, Mike. Do the countdown. Countdown, yeah.
Oh my god, I just pulled on that nigga.
Oh yeah. We eat the supercharged SS. I need an alignment so bad, gang. Look at my steering wheel. Look, this is straight. Huh? It's hard when a nigga on my bumper. Yeah.
Ready? 1,
10 speed K, gang. 10 speed K. This shit ain't nothing. This shit ain't nothing. We in a cat, nigga. We in a stock cat. Shut up, nah. Shut up. Yeah. with the supercharged hit me gang. Shut up, Nas. Let's try another one, bro. We do a 50. That thing's screaming. When he was in front of me slightly, I couldn't hear nothing. They did. But it's gonna be back. It's back. Bad, bro. This ain't healthy. 60 to 150 gang. 60 to 150, they can't touch it. Nah, them was some fun runs, boy. I love getting my get back.